Hello children, today we are going to talk about few tags. The first tag is how we can add an image to our web page. Before that you have to prepare your folder which is look like this, then it will be easy for your work. Now this is my HTML or the where I save my web pages. There are needed pictures. I already copied to this picture folder. I created a picture folder within my HTML folder. So few pictures are there and I have renamed into which is easy for me to use it here, and as well as I have a logo for my project and few buttons for my projects. So and there is a video file. Likewise, whatever needed, any extra things you can copy to separate folders. It will be easy for you to edit your web page, right? First we will see how we can include image to a web page. So this web page is already I have saved. The name is one.html. You can see that is there within my HTML folder. So I'm going to copy, we'll add 2.jpg this file to our web page as a first image to our web page, right? So we will see how we can add that image to the web page. The tag is children. img src. So here you need to say, you can see here there is a space and you need to type here where is your file is. So my file is within where I save this file. So then image is saved within image folder. Then first of all you need to say if you are save it within a folder, that folder name image, inside the file name 2.jpg, and here if you type only the file name of the file, that is not sufficient, it won't work. So you have to introduce not only the file name, file extension too. Okay, you should know what's your file extension. If that is not showing here, you can go to view, then you can enable this file name extension option. So then you can see what is the file extension. So my folder name is picture, right? So then we will save it and we'll see whether how it is showing it in the web page, right? I think you can understand it's a very simple image, small image which is showing within web page, right? This is how you all can get it any image into your page, right? So there are some attributes regarding images which you can control. So we'll learn adding another image to this page. After that we'll learn this control. So next page as a next picture, I thought of including 1.jpg. So we will see how this look like. And I thought of including second image below of the next, so you can simply add a br tag. You'll open it within the browser. There you can see this is the image, but this image is very big image. So how we can control that? So when controlling image, you can change the height and width. Okay, the width you can control with the pixel, number of pixels. Then you can understand sometimes in this if you get the detail of this picture, you can see how much is the pixel width and height. So you can see here under dimension the width of the image and the height of the image. So it's about 4624 pixel, 2136 height of this image pixel. So then we'll make it into small by defining 300 pixels and the height, just I will give you like 250 pixels. Okay, we'll try out and see within the web browser. Right, now you can see it will be look like this. In this way controlling is a bit hard, any image. So then how we can control that one? There is another method. Okay, you can introduce using percentage method. What is that? So I would like to make it image from the original size reduce into 50%. So then I'm going to reduce the height also from the 50% from the original size. Now we will observe it within the browser. Right, now you can see it is it keep correct height and width ratio. So then that way you can control your image when you're showing any image in your web page. Right, and there is another important tag is called alt. So using this alt tag you can include any text in there. So as example, if you want to show this text within your browser, so when you get the mouse it works. Sometimes some browsers it won't support, but however if that image is not loading, if there is a problem, so this message will display within the browser. Then under that I will include okay, I have included a text like this, and after you load that one, so it will just look like this. Okay, so sometimes when you get the mouse pointer on this image, so it will display that text. And there are some problems can be arise which is not showing you there. Now think of my image name is 1.jpg. If you type within your code same one, if your image name has a different name, so it won't work. Even missing of the spellings, so it will lead you to not to show this image in there. Now you can see whatever I have included within that alt tag, it will display here background image. If there is a problem of loading that one, it will display there. Right, and right, again now you understand. Okay, you have to give the correct path, and you have to type the correct name, file name and the file extension. Apart from that, you can include a border for your image. Okay, I thought of adding two. Now I will refresh the browser and see. Now you can see there is a border we have included to the page. If you want to align this one, you can include you can center. If you want to make it center, you can type center tag. You can close it from there. I made a mistake here. The center is closed from there. Right, now we will see. Right there, your image is now aligned center. Apart from that, you can introduce this one within as a paragraph. Paragraph tag p line. You can make it RIGHT, and I will close the paragraph tag here. Right, now you can see it is aligned. Right, okay, any of that technique you can use to center your image. This is how you can include image and how to control image when you want to display within your web browser, within a web page. Right, now you can copy down these notes in your book. Right, secondly I would like to speak about your web page body. So you will see it now. You have nothing here. And so as a next one, I would like to introduce you how you can include a body a background color. So for that one, the tag is BG color, children. So you know how to add color, so I thought of adding a hexadecimal way, red channel, green, and the blue next. Now I will save it. Now we will experience within the web browser. You can see I got this color. So this is how you all can, you know, what you call code. I will add a text. Body background color, right? Likewise, and this is this way you can include a body background color. This is the code, children. BG color, right? Even names also, color names also you can introduce here. Now you know how to edit. Okay, so right, the next I would like to talk about how to add a body background image. Next, what we are going to talk about that. Then here you have an attribute is called a background. Like as earlier, you can introduce where your image is. Okay, so then I thought of adding image. We'll add a 1.jpg, right? That is there in my image folder. Inside the file name is 1.jpg. Right, we'll refresh and see. I think made a mistake. We'll find it. I made a spelling mistakes here. Oh yeah, it's there in the picture folder. Now we will refresh the code and see. Tag is children body background. Right, now we will see whether it works. Right, you can see here image is loaded, but this image is very big, but you cannot control it. Then suitable image you need to find it as your background. And sometimes it is suitable that very simple one like this. It's about very low capacity. It's about 8.89 kilobyte. This one consists of 4.50. Sometimes according to the internet speed after you uploaded, it will be slow. Okay, we'll try to add this bg.jpg. Right, like this it work fast. Now this is I'm doing everything within my computer, so practicing here, so then it work fast. But when you upload it into internet, so there are simple background image if it is available, so it's, you know, it will load it fast. Okay, right, and you all have seen it. Okay, made a few mistakes here. Likewise, you should be able to overcome these problems or coding mistakes within when you are typing the code. Right, now you know how to add a background image to your web page. Right, next we will speak how we can link web pages together. Right, I thought of adding a background color. This is my first page. Okay, I would like that. Then I thought of adding I would like to add a text. Okay, paragraph, and I like to align within, I like to align center. Right, and the text that I want to display here is page 1, and I thought of adding a font size. even we'll try out with how we can add a there you can see it is centered, and we'll add a heading tag for this. Okay, so then we'll add here h1, right? So then I will close that one from here. So it is a fast way that you can do your work. Okay, so I have this is my page 1. So then I thought of creating another page so that when I want to hyperlink to next page, so I will get a new file. So then there I will save this one first as a page 2, right? Then the title is page 2, and a body I would like to give a different color for this, then we can easily understand which page is that. So then right, and as earlier I'll do the same. I will name this one page 2. Now if we see this one within the web browser, okay, it will be look like this. This is my first page and this is my second page. Now I thought of linking first page to second page. We'll see how we can do it. The tag is still an anchor tag. So how we can do it, keep a space href or href. So then what I'm going to link, okay, next you have to type here where's your the page that you are going to link from this page, right? First we will link the first page into second page. Okay, so right, then href. So now I'm in the first page. I want to link second page. Then just writing 2 is not sufficient. The second page name is 2.html. The file name and the extension is must. Right. Then after that you need to include here text to view within the web page for the click purpose. Okay, so I will type page 2. Okay, then after that you need to close your anchor tag. So after that we'll refresh this one and see. You can see here when there is a text which displaying with the color of blue. So when you get your hand into that, so it allow you to you know when this icon comes, it is a link, right? So then we'll click and see. Now you are in the second page. Now we will create a link from second page to first page, right? So we'll get our source code, then we'll go to page 2 source code. So then here the same method href, and what page you are going to link for 1.html. So text that you want to display within the web page, that is page 1. So you can close your anchor tag, right? We'll save this and we'll refresh the browser. Now I think you can see the page 1 is here. Now whenever I click, now you can open page 2. So now I'm in the page 1. Whenever you click page 2 here, so it link with the other page. In a similar technique, if you have many pages within your website, so you can make hyperlinks which look like this. Okay, this is how you can link or hyperlink any web pages within your website, right? Next I will teach you how to add another link. Okay, so I thought of displaying that link below of this one. Then we'll do it within the page 1. So then I'll add a BR here. So then the next I thought of linking a URL or any web page out of my site. As example, I want to link this page into the google.lk. So then you can type https the URL www.google.lk, right? Then I want to display text here. Then I will type google.lk. So that's what I want to show to the user. Then I will close this. Now we will experience within the web browser. I already saved. There you can see google.lk. If you click this one, if you have internet connection, so it will open for you the particular web page. Okay, so now it won't go because there is no internet connection, so it works. That is how you all can link any other page within internet from your website. Right, then next we will see how we can include an image instead of this text when you are linking. Then you can make a beautiful web page. So then I will show you here in my web folder. I have a button. So I have created these buttons using graphic designing software, and there is an easy method of making this one. So I will show you the technique also using a word processing software too. So, and you can see in this image, okay, so there is a small background part is there which is white. So because of that page 2 and the page 1, I have to change the color into white, otherwise this background will display like that. If you want, if you know what color you want as a background of your image, the button, so similar color in your web page you have to apply here, right? So then first thing is I will erase this part, and the page number 2 also I will erase the page color, right? And how we can include a button instead of the text. Everybody knows, okay, the how we can add a hyperlink. So that the tag is href, and the page I want to link is, now I'm in the page 1, so I want to link to page 2. So then 2.html. So that after that I'm calling that image img src, where we have our buttons within my button folder. Button. So what is the name of the button that you want to include here? The name of the button that I want to include here is page 2. So the name of this file is page2.jpg. page2.jpg. So then you need to close your anchor tag, right? In a similar manner, so we do apply a button to the second page, which when you press it, it should goes to the open the page 1. So then we will start with the anchor tag href. So the name of the file that I want to include here is page 1. The where it is located, butt or button folder. Inside, the name of the file is page1.jpg. Oops, I made a mistake, sorry. So then the page that I want to I should include here the page that is 1.html. So where is the button? It is you have to call it like an image because it is an image. So then where it is available within button folder. So what is the name of the file is page1.jpg. okay, right? After that I will close the anchor tag. So we'll first open the page 1. Already I have saved. There is a mistake, I think we will find it. The linking place is 2.html, that is correct. So button name here, I think there's a small problem here with the file name. I think there's a space here. Yes, okay, that is a problem. Okay, so here there is a space while I'm saving this button, so there's a small one space here, that's why it haven't worked. Okay, now we'll try out. Now you can see we have a beautiful button. So then we'll click this one and see whether it works. Yes, now I'm in the page 2. So whenever I click this one, it should go to the page 1. Okay, yes, it is working. Likewise, similar technique, you can include many buttons that you want. Then you can create your hyperlinks using buttons. So how did I do this one? So that is you all can do it easily in this technique. I will show you. So you can go to insert without using graphic designing software. If you want to make it, you can get this rectangle, rounded rectangle, so you can draw it. Then so you can change the shape of the which is look like to button. So after that yeah, if you want to fastly get it any shapes 3D, so you can get one from here, right? So then you can change the color if you want. So after that you can type it on this button itself. So but it is easy, I think, rather than if you can include a text box here. So then you can type your whatever the text. Okay, we think that you want to type it here, home. So after that, go to shape fill, no fill, and shape no outline. So you can make it smaller. Now you can handle your text, that the font and font size, whatever that you want. You can click here, right? You can get it middle, right? So then after that you can save this file. And now as example, your background color is another we'll think a kind of blue. So then you can add a background color. Right, you can go to design and page color. So necessary background color you can include this one. We'll think this one. So then how to save this one like image, you know, you can get this snipping tool. So then after that you can go to new. So you can select the area carefully, so much that you want. So then it is you can save it like a image format. Using this any image format, it's suitable JPG, or this way you can create the button that you want quickly and easily. Right, I think you understand that one. This is how you all can include children hyperlink. Okay, you can add several, you can create a few web pages, okay, with all the techniques. So then after that you can hyperlink each other using this href tag, right? Write this note in your book. Next we will understand how we can include a video file. So if you observe the HTML folder, so I copied a video file here, which is the extension of MP4. The file name is 1.1. So then how we can add a video file? We'll add h1 tag. So after that we'll include a text, working with video file. Right, after that what is the tag for this one? That you can type it here, video, right? So there are some controls that you can add. So after typing video, this is how you can include your video file, that is source src. So then under src you need to type where your video is. You remember, I think. So the folder name is here video, the 1.mp4 is the file. Okay, so video inside 1.mp4, right? So after that whenever we'll see whether this one works within our web page. So we will get, I will refresh this one. there you can see it's a very big file. So then there is no control. It's when playing, and that there will be a problem. So then what we can do is you can add some controls here. You can control the height and width of your video. You can type here width. Okay, as earlier I thought of changing size into 50% of the original size, and the height also I will type in the same manner. And you can type here, the word is called controls, and you can see play buttons and everything. And sometimes some formats not working in some web browsers, that manner you can include here text. Example, type browser that does not support this file format. Okay, now we will refresh and see this one. So now you can see, right, the play buttons and everything is there. Now if you play, the video will play. Okay, so that is how you can include any video file to your web page, right? So then if there is a matter of that file extension here, this type of extension is not supporting, so then this message will display in your web page. I'll change it. We'll see whether it happening like that. But however the controls are running, so if there is a matter of this is not supporting, this message will display in there. Then children, you all can try out this all the tags practically, so get experience. These are very important when you all are writing O-level exam. From the all the videos I think you have watched, so then it is easy for you all to write answers for your web page. And next video I will talk with you how to build a simple web page. That's what I'm going to talk in the next one. Until that, you all study well, write the notes and do practical. Thank you, children.